I love fat. Okay, I admitted it. I love, love, love fat. I love the taste of fat, the way it slithers down my mouth. Okay, I'm getting carried away. But I want you to know that eating healthy fats, they don't make you gain weight. You can eat delicious, healthy fat and not gain weight. Good fat, and oh my goodness, the way it adds such great taste to my foods is so fabulous. So, do you love fat and avoid it like the plague, or go into freak out mode when you have too much fat, not only in your food, on your body? Fat makes you fat, right? It makes sense. Wrong. So, it was such music to my ears when I learned that good fats, they don't make you fat. No, no, no. They can even help you bring your body to its perfect weight. And to that, I said, hallelujah. I'm Kathryn Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. And this is Thriving Thursdays, where we take a mindful approach to not only nourishing your body, nourishing your life. And that outdated myth of calories in and calories out has been so debunked. Dr. Mark Hyman, the author of Eat Fat, Get Thin, he says healthy fats, not militant calorie counting or low fat diets, that's what helps us to get lean. All our lives, we've been told that's bad for us. Your solution is to eat only healthy fats. They'll be so happy. It'll make your body so happy. Healthy fats, they include monounsaturated fats like nuts, seeds, coconut, olive oils, and avocados. Yum! Fats interact with your hormones. Good fats, they're so important for your body function, to help it function properly, to keep your energy levels high, and help you absorb vitamins and minerals, to really reduce your inflammation, to build your cell membranes, and to balance your levels of cholesterol, especially the LDLs, the lousy ones. Fat is also essential for blood clotting and muscle movement. One theory is, fat has 9 calories per gram, and then carbs and protein, they only have 4 calories per gram. So, of course, eating less fat means you eat fewer calories, and then you lose weight, right? Seems so easy. Hey, unfortunately, that theory, it doesn't work. Being healthy and at your perfect weight, it's not about calories in and calories out. I can't say that enough. No, it's not about calories in and calories out. This theory, it keeps us fat and sick. All calories, they don't affect your body in the same way. No, no, no. Food controls everything. Food affects the expression of your genes that cause or prevent disease. Making sense so far? So in other words, food literally turns on health genes or disease genes. So which one do you want? Health genes or disease genes? It tells those genes to store or burn fat. Food influences your hormones, your brain chemistry, your immune system, and even your gut flora. You can heal your body with your fork. Doesn't that sound delicious? Calorie counting, it's such a misguided way to bring your bodies to its perfect weight. For example, think of a Cinnabon. Now, I love going to the mall and smelling the delicious flavor of a Cinnabon. I know you all have been there, right? But the Cinnabon, it has different calories in it than those from an avocado. They affect your hormones, your metabolism, and even your appetite. A Cinnabon, hey, it's nutritionally deficient. It doesn't feed your body. It's loaded with empty calories. When it comes to bringing your body to its perfect weight, instead of thinking calories in and calories out, we need to think about how the food you're eating, how will it nourish the amazing body you're living in. Eating healthy fats, they help you to burn more calories. Sound good? So it's been proven. A man named Kevin Hall, he's from the National Institute of Health. He studies mathematical systems and biology. He found when you measure every single ounce of food, every single ounce, every movement, every breath, And every calorie that you're burning, you find that those who ate more fat compared to an identical amount of carbs burned over 100 more calories. You're going to love this. It burned 100 more calories a day. So over that year, over a whole year, that amounts to about 10 pounds of weight loss from doing no more exercise, just eating more fat. Whew, this sounds good, doesn't it? Hall also reported studies on brain imaging and brain function that found eating more fat, it actually shuts off your brain hunger and the craving centers. We get more satiated. Eating healthy fats, it improves things like food intake, taste preferences, and even your metabolism. It's not fat that makes us fat. I can't stress that enough. It's the sugar. All processed carbs, including wheat bread and dairy, they turn to sugar. And sugar, it spikes your fat storing hormone. What hormone is that? That's insulin. We talked about that last week in Thriving Thursdays, and so many of us get insulin resistance because of that. Insulin, it then drives all available fuel in your bloodstream, in your fat cells, especially those around your middle. We call that visceral fat, organ fat, or most commonly, you know the name of it, it's called belly fat, right? So this stimulates your brain to make you even more hungry and to eat more. It's a vicious cycle. The second thing is when you try to restrict calories and exercise more, your body thinks you're starving. It wants to eat your arm. It's hangry, and you eat more. Diets can work temporarily, and they do. And then ultimately, they fail. It's been proven 95% of the population, they release weight and they gain it back in about 2 years. When you eat sugar, refined carbs, or anything that raises your blood sugar, it causes a spike in your fat storage hormone. You know that hormone, we've talked about it. It's insulin. And then a vicious cycle that includes hunger, cravings, and overeating. It creates this vicious cycle. Low-fat, high-carb diets, they spike your insulin, and subsequently, they slow your metabolism, and they make you store belly fat, okay? So another human study, it was conducted by Dr. Ludwig and his Harvard colleagues, and they compared high-fat, low-carb diets with high-carb, low-fat diets, and it was all controlled feeding, where all the researchers, they provided all the food, so nobody had a chance to go out and get a different kind of food. Again, the high-fat group, they did better. While their micronutrient ratios, you know, calories, carbs, and fats, your micronutrients, they all differed in both groups. They ate the exact number of calories for each diet. What happened was shocking. The high-fat group, it ended up burning 300, get this, 300 more calories a day than the low-fat group. The high-fat group, they also had the most improvement in cholesterol, including lower triglycerides and LDLs and the lower levels of PIA1 that shows a less likelihood, PIA1 shows a less likelihood of having blood clots or inflammation. They also showed bigger improvements with insulin resistance and prediabetes. Pretty big stuff, right? So this explains why we should eat a quality fat. So those studies weren't with bad fats and crappy fats. You need a quality fat, whole food diet that's lower in refined carbohydrates, low glycemic, and high in fiber. Food affects your metabolism at every level. It works fast in real time with every single bite. You can change your health starting with your fork. Yep. So what I recommend is that you eliminate all unhealthy fats, all processed and packaged foods, and really start eating more monounsaturated fats, like the ones I recommended earlier, like olive oil, avocados, and nuts. You can also enjoy coconut oil. It has lauric acid and caprylic acid, and those acids, They heal your gut and they keep your gut happy. So are you ready to eat better? To eat better and eat more healthy fats? Keep watching Thriving Thursdays. Subscribe to it. You just click the button down below. Subscribe to my Thriving Thursdays. Or if you're on YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Or if you're on Facebook, just like my page and you'll get all the notifications. If you're ready to take a deep dive into really improving your health, not just with your food, with your mindset, and to really discover a happier and healthier you, check out my Eat Your Way to Healthy program. And to learn more, it's right on my webpage. It's right there for you. I'd love to see you there, and I can't wait to help you love your life. I'm Kathryn Chess, your nutritionist and joyful living coach. I help you to rebalance your hormones, renew your energy, and love, love, love your life. Hey, has your prescription of dietary fat changed over time? Please reach out, let me know. Share your thoughts on my Facebook page at www.facebook.com and the links below /joyful living with Kathryn Chess. I love you, and more importantly, I help you to love yourself. Bye-bye.